Hi guys, and welcome to High Five Math. In today's video, we want to talk about mixed numbers. First, we will review the concept of improper fractions, because they are the type of fractions essential to the concept of mixed numbers. Then, we will learn how to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers and vice versa. So, let's get started. An improper fraction is a fraction where the denominator is equal to or smaller than its numerator. As an example, let's look at the fraction 5/3. The numerator is the number 5, and the denominator is the number 3. Since 5 is bigger than the number 3, we say that this fraction is improper. But what exactly does this mean? Is there something wrong with the fraction? Not at all. All it means is that 5/3 represents a numerical value greater than 1. If we take a pizza and divide it into 3 pieces, but we also have 2 extra similar sized pieces from another pizza, we have 5 pieces in total. So in other words, we have 1 full pizza and 2/3 of another one. Or we have 5/3 equals 3/3 plus 2/3. Since 3/3 is equal to 1, then 5/3 equals to 1 plus 2/3. Wait a minute, what happened here? We started with the improper fraction 5/3 and ended up with the number 1 2/3, which is part whole number, 1 part fraction. We refer to these types of numbers as mixed. Sometimes you may hear people call them as mixed fractions, but it's the same thing. It is very important to point out that any mixed number represents addition, not multiplication, between its whole number and its fraction. 1 2/3 equals 1 plus 2/3, not 1 times 2/3. Okay guys, now that we understand why mixed numbers are in fact improper fractions in disguise, let's learn how to quickly convert them into one another. If we want to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction, we do the following. First, we multiply the whole number by the denominator of the fraction. Second, we take the product and we add it to the numerator of the fraction. Third, we write the sum as the new numerator and we leave the old denominator unchanged. So, let's do some examples together. We start with the mixed number 2 3/4. First, we take the whole number 2 and multiply by the denominator 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. Second, we take the product 8 and we add it to the numerator 3. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Third, we use the sum 11 as our new numerator and we keep the old denominator 4 unchanged. 11/4. The improper fraction 11/4 is equivalent to 2 3/4. Let's do another example. 4 11/16. First, we take the whole number 4 and multiply by the denominator 16. 4 times 16 equals 64. Second, we take the product 64 and we add it to the numerator 11. 64 plus 11 equals 75. Third, we use the sum 75 as our new numerator and we keep the old denominator 16 unchanged. 75/16. But how about if we want to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number? Well, we need to simply reverse the process. First, we divide the fraction's numerator by its denominator. Since the numerator of any improper fraction is greater than its denominator, the quotient we get in division must be a number greater than 1 plus some remainder. Second, we write down only the whole part of the quotient. This will be our whole number part in the mixed number. Third, we use the remainder as the new numerator. Fourth, we keep the old denominator unchanged. Let's look at some examples. 13 over 7. First, we divide the numerator 13 by the denominator 7. 13 divided by 7 equals 1 and a remainder of 6. Second, we write 1 as the whole number part. Third, we use the remainder 6 as the new numerator. Fourth, we keep the old denominator 7 unchanged. The mixed number is 1 6/7. Let's do another example, 25 over 6. First, we divide the numerator 25 by the denominator 6. 25 divided by 6 equals 4 and a remainder of 1. Second, we write 4 as our whole number part. Third, we use the remainder 1 as the new numerator. Fourth, we keep the old denominator 6 unchanged. The mixed number is 4 1/6. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to check out the remaining 4 parts of this video series, in which we will show you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide mixed numbers. Also, subscribe to our channel, click that like button, and share our videos. Till next time, high five math.